Hello, everyone. Today I want to talk about the top 3 websites where you can do online work as a graphic designer. These platforms allows you to monetize your design skills. You can participate in various design contests and create unique designs for clients. Website number 1, DesignCrowd. Now let's talk about DesignCrowd. This platform also allows you to monetize your design skills. You can offer various design services, such as logo design, brochure design, and website design. Website number 2, Crowdspring. This platform allows you to showcase your design skills and get hired by clients. You can participate in design projects and earn money. Website number 3, 99 Designs. This platform allows you to monetize your design skills. You can participate in various design contests and create unique designs for clients. So these are the top 3 websites where you can do online work as a graphic designs. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like and share to everyone you know.